If we want to go to the court, we'll have to fight with you small chaps. We want to fight with this big boss who from taking this. We don't want to target Vivek. We don't want to target this magistrate. Vivek, please don't treat us like boys. Don't treat us like boys. We have agreed with the district administration. We will be here. You need not to tell us. Please, you know. It is a contempt of court. The Supreme Court has clearly stated in 1967 that you cannot invoke Section 144 CRPC just to prevent a legitimate. No. Please, what number saying? One part. Attention. Ada ping so artian ping so kena yung itap tiar line up ini check ini wait. Dia nak kata tahu konti kata the wrong message, the right message. They should know the truth. The central leadership should know the truth. Hindi ban sudarap jod repair gisurok tang formuan the central leadership. Ka tarong ka igidukan. All those issues. We cannot afford to tolerate this kind of hypocrisy. You are who are you to explain me how to do this? You think I don't know? Know your limits. We know. You just do your job. If you are instructed to arrest us, you arrest. If you are instructed to lathi charge us, you do that. Then you will see. And I will see who has the courage to put a first stick on our bodies. Mangingim ko Ajing Kumar, kako Ajing Kumar ke Sorkar, o kako Ajing Kumar ke District Administration.
Ngayon mga isa
dan kami kata,
itu giba
kani kampung duit,
minyak kren.
tapi himut ban ang bahkan kam ku ke sup kan kam jai na bingi syong na ang ni, minum ki na ang ni. Di boleh ngim lah bani ya, bani kendu yo. Officer pelafon yang angan dia kenduk dangan lai kenduk ang tu ngin sekret dan ngin saya rai menu ban syong hang ni hang nu ngin syong menu beli kenduk ngim la ban rai what we are telling you, we are not going to create problem. We have already mentioned it is going to be a peaceful demonstration. Do you understand? Not like this. A riot that you'll put mask. Don't hide in your mask, please. Why you are scared to carry out your duties with your face open? Really? You have a criminal mind or what?
Under which article is it allowed?
Which provision of law?
Under Meghalaya Act 2010, Meghalaya Police Act, does it state that you can cover your mask? And where's your name tags as well?
When you people in uniform are violating law openly, how do you expect the masses to follow? If anything happened, you take the responsibility. And remember, for every action what you did today, you'll be answerable one day. And those who govern today, they will not govern the state forever. And every dog has his day. Apply your mind. I'm just telling you, apply your mind.
Sir, sorry sir,
Ini ingin show you.
Just request on strictly 144 is operational.
Today dictatorship. No, there is a law that you can arrest person on the preventive detention. You can arrest us if you feel that we are going to create trouble. If you feel that you have sufficient ground to proceed with this Section 144 CRPC, you go ahead. No, you are just doing what the master told you to do. Simply that. We know. So you apply your mind. Your political master will go one day. You will be continued in your service.
Orders,
but don't follow the unlawful order. This is unlawful. The
Tapi
Supreme Court has stated clearly that invoke Section 144 CRPC just to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances. We are expressing our legitimate grievances where the government has removed those officials from the Lokayukta, an institution which has been brought to contain corruption, to deal with corruption.
Sir, banyak kering kata jimbang ini official law kita sir, kadang tak boleh galat sir. As a respected.
You tell me what is kaya katakalat?
Kalau sir, tidak menduduk na peaceful way na.
This is violent. Is this violent?
Ngapa mesti violent sir? Banyung brio, bilik silong. Kalau nada sir terkadang.
Hey, kita kalau order tu peningin. Hey, kita kalau order.
Aski Friday, Bawan Honorable Home Minister. Kung terus ni sir, kami ikhtiar seperti mak.
You mean to send a message to Delhi that everything is fit and fine in Meghalaya when the state is becoming the poorest state in the northeast? Yes, everything is fine.
Pakai social media.
No.
Kamu cuba beri.
Kamu cuba beri. Boleh pun soalan. Boleh ini ka darab jat ya kata kecilong Meghalaya.
Reaksi ukur, because internet kan juga kalau dia rasa orang masih belum
Minta kita pergi yang ikut iklan. This is what you want to talk with us. Keren, you magistrate.
Lihat peaceful.
Oh, lihat peaceful. He just called me. Unless we are allowed to go there, we will not talk to the government. You violate. It is an unlawful. It is unlawful order. Now, pangimla ban accept. We are educated enough. We know the law. So don't try to suppress the democratic rights of the citizens. We have given the letter to the government. It's for the government to respond to us in writing. They cannot use police just to protect them, just to prevent the legitimate expression of opinion. This is a legitimate. To nakaliang ka fisi ki police bila yo input bangini ni organize ke kamu ke sini. It is unlawful. You call the magistrate. I will explain. I will explain to the magistrate what our section 144 is all about. You call the magistrate here. I will explain. Who are those magistrates who don't know? Apply their minds. You convey to the district administration that this imposition is unlawful.
Pinyak boleh padu padu. Wannya le padu. Wannya le. Kepala le. Isu ya bet.
Nado last time dulu yang no. Benar. Yang kan benda tangkap tu. Yang tak terima.
Bicara sama ini.
And to manhandle the elected PPP long live! Long live! Long live! Corruption down! 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 Corruption down! 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 MDA down! 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 MDA down! 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 How many of us would go? Because we know that all of us will not go inside. We can go in. We will see where is the convenient place, but not here. So if you are stopped here, we will not go. We are patient enough, like what we did last time. We protested in the main secretariat and we feel that the people are not convenient. We shifted. We are responsible leader, but we cannot be dealt in this manner. No? Because we know the law. We don't want to go to the court because if we go to the court, your political master will not face the problem. You will face the problem. We want to protect you, which is why we know that despite the fact that this is unlawful order, we do not want to go to the court. It is a contempt of court clearly. And who will face? Who will have to go to the court if we file a case? You, the officers, will have to go, not these bloody local masters. Stop immediately. Stop. Kota kalau inside deh. Tentang niya, ang tubo mo ang IPM tay. Ada bisa pang ni tingin niya. Pek jantung lagi dah. Sebab dalam swell MT kalau unlawful deh. Kalau ada experience ki imposition of Section 144 RPC kalau unlawful. Because Supreme Court ruling 1967 has spelled out very clearly. You cannot invoke Section 144 as a tool to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances. So you are just, contempt the court. The ruling is a contempt of court. The order of the deputy commissioner. So you convey that to the deputy commissioner, and we know well what is Section 144 RPC. I have explained to them. It was mentioned in Chapter 10, Part C. This Section 144 is only in cases of urgent cases of nuisance and apprehended danger. So have you apprehended that we will create any danger? This is a peaceful demonstration. It is a peaceful procession. Even procession are allowed. There's how many of us that we are not allowed just to go there? We will not go, not all of us will go inside. Then first you allow us to go there, then we will decide where to sit, where we will sit, and how many of us will go. Not necessary that we have to go 5 or 6. You apply your mind, you know that we know the law. We are a lawmaker, we are not doing violence. I told the police, if you have sufficient inputs that we are going to create any trouble, you can put us, you can apply MPDA. You can arrest us on the preventive detention ordinance. You apply the law, we will talk about the law. But you just cannot simply use this as a tool to prevent the legitimate expression or protest. We will not allow. Even if you are being instructed to deal with us harshly, we will face it.
Justice! 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 MDA! 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 Long live!
I beg, please don't treat us like boys. Don't treat us like boys. We have agreed with the district administration, we will be here. You need not to tell us. Please, at least give them 10 to 15 of them only. 10 to 15 of them.
Kindly, sir.
Okay, please, sir.
We request you, sir. Please, sir.
That is
If allowed till here, sir.
That is not too big
Sir.
request.
Please, sir. We
You understand, sir? That
we
is not too big
see,
talk.
sir. We have done the needful for my sir. Sir. Humbly request you, sir. Humbly appealing to your leadership, sir. Kindly, sir. We request you, sir. Please, sir. Your supporters are already here, sir. Can you tell me, sir? Okay. Madam is ready, sir. Okay. She's already No, sir. We are here to escort you, sir. Please, kindly, sir. We have allowed this here. Kindly, sir. Please. Humbly,
Okay,
please, sir.
we know that.
We have allowed him here, sir.
I think that if you go to the spirit of Section 144, then you will understand clearly that this has been imposed
Sir,
or
we allowed you to here, sir.
okay, this has been invoked just to prevent that thing. That is too much. Okay, can one try there?
No, we are escorting you,
We are
sir.
escorting you.
An idiom is escorting you, sir.
Okay, what I want
As a party that has concern for the state, that take up issues concerning the state,
we should be treated in that way. No?
We're trying our best, sir. Let's pray that we can, sir. So, how many of you, sir, will be going?
Ini saya Ryan, ingin saya lagi menu-menu balik yang tinggi keren. Oh, ini aja. Then we discuss itu.
PPP, long live! PPP, long live!
Menuno ke kes nyuma ngin ong ye mereka don ke kes ka begini ki officer kila investigate haga bau buying jo chief minister udan bam benta kata ka kam bam sap ni don hak ban subajur baga don bejing ku bala ba wa utau buying jo chief minister nyimla ban suara lalu tu ubarit la sha kemudut kumrone da tama gini ki buying basem mar pita kadau ra ai gini ke khubor bagani ka thma ka ji persya ai ka bamsa kam dai ka bangi syukran ni da terang namala da nyemla ban rat hagani ka por ka jingi manai phi ka jelaji kan ngam. It's now or never. Na ka takadaw what you think habang ini halaga hak habang ini ni snoto ka nongrem ka bastem nyem dai ban ting tamang nyem ko ban peni jingkumar nyeki ngin supeni tanga jingdan jingi la abyang wat kiktin kiba kiba tomet nyim ko ban mi naga sintor ka jongpi naga longi ki officer ni yano ino ka jingdan ka ji kala pyang banyato ya ka sarkar bo pat ba onam sha nang ni shakmat ba ka sarkar kan le kat bamon ka district administration shwaba kan impose ka section 144 kada iban da slow to shine baga jingtmu ka ji kala ka sniu ban penni jingtumar kilai hagi bana ki baladat Dagi pajar ki pat ba ngila ban sinshar. Paling ngila ban sinshar. Ye ki pat ba ki ban ban ai ka jingkershan. Ye ka jeki ka jai jai ka jingi. Kani ngiri ta ka jingkershan. Ban khanglat ka Supreme Court ha ka snam khat khandai spa andru penyok. Kala ai ya ka ruling. Ha ka medai ba ka jingpentri kam ya ka section 144 CRPC. Kala Crenshaw that this section cannot be invoked as a tool to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances. Ni wana ni ban pan pawi ki scope ya ki jingi ya ki jingwang jong da sarkar ye kini ki officer ni khamara ni tham da nongrim